Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics with Sajid Hussain. If you want to learn mathematics in an easy and interesting way, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn and grow together.
Definition of number system. The number system is a way of representing and classifying numbers used in mathematics. Names of number system: real numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Numbers. Definition of real numbers. Real numbers are all the numbers that can be represented on the number line. They include both rational and irrational numbers. Examples of real numbers: whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers, -3, -1, 0, 4. Rational numbers, 1/2, 3/4, 0.25. Irrational numbers, square root 2, square root 5, pi. All these are real numbers. Numbers. Definition of natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers used for counting objects. They start from 1 and go on infinitely. Examples of natural numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Note: 0 is not a natural number. Numbers. Definition of whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers that include 0, 0, and all natural numbers. They start from 0 and go on infinitely. Examples of whole numbers: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note: whole numbers include 0, but no negative numbers. Numbers. Definition of integer numbers. Integer numbers are the numbers that include positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and 0, 0. They do not include fractions or decimals. Examples of integer numbers: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Numbers. Definition of rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of pq, where p and q are integers and q does not equal 0. Examples of rational numbers: fractions, 1/2, 3/4, -5/6. Whole numbers, 0, 1, 2. Decimals terminating or repeating: 0.5, 0.25, 0.333. Note: all integers and whole numbers are also rational numbers. Numbers. Definition of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be written in the form of pq, where p and q are integers and q does not equal 0. Their decimal form is non-terminating and non-repeating. Examples of irrational numbers: square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, pi, pi. Note: irrational numbers never end and never repeat in decimal form. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more such videos. Let's learn together.